So I'm going to build a web application for the e-commerce box. So we're going to build a web application to sell books online, and this is the home page as we can see from here. So we have this lovely best-selling books ever, and we have some banner, and we have more books and more books. Also we're going to build the checkout and add to cart and make a payment, and we're going to do an excellent feature, allow the user to view the book. For example, go to the page 1, 2, 3 if the user is logged in or subscribed. So a lot of great stuff is coming in, so let's go ahead and start. And this series shows more back end. Okay, so we're going to use a front end web template, a ready template, and we're going to touch a lot of a front end, although this series is going to more likely in the back end. Okay, so first thing first, I have downloaded a template from the internet, as we can see here. Okay, so this is the template, assist and index, and of course we're going to use a framework. I like to use Laravel, so we're going to use a Laravel. I have here is empty project. Okay, Laravel project. Okay, it's nothing, I haven't done anything to it. I just here put the database name, which is database box ocean, which is the website name, and here I have map to run the both MySQL and PHP server, and I have just created this database box ocean. Okay, after create this database, I just came in environment here, I put box ocean and I put the username and password. This is the first thing you need to do, depends on your server configuration. Okay, for if you have issue or some bugs, just drop comment in the video below. So okay, so first thing first, if I go to the here, I can see that I don't have any table. Okay, and also I have this Laravel empty project, so I have the server running here in the second. Okay, so I have the server running, or I don't have it run, so yeah, it's running here. Okay, cool. So first thing first, let's do what we have to do. Okay, so we have this, let's take copy and paste some files in the public folder here. Okay, so we have CSS and GSS and GS, sorry. Okay, so I have this here, so I will grab this folder here and I paste it here. Okay, so this from the HTML template to Laravel. Okay, and add to get. Yes, I want to add to get. I have also initialize git repo to push all our stuff there. Okay, cool. So after we have here the public folder, so let's see what we have to do here. Okay, so this is Laravel and this is the HTML template. If I click refresh here, okay, and yes, cool. So first thing, let's go to see what this page. So okay, slash, I will go in here and look for this page. So we have for this user will able to see this if he's logged in, but we have another page called welcome. Okay, yeah, so we have this page as well, and this has, I believe, section, or doesn't have section. Okay, cool. So let's delete this one. Okay, and we should see nothing here. Okay, cool. And we need to use this. Okay, because this using the layout, which is in here, resources, view, layout, because we will have multi-page, we're not going to repeat the code again and again. Okay, so I'm going to maybe I will delete this one. Okay, I will delete welcome, we don't need it. And we have, okay, home. Let's go to the route. Okay, so the route, okay, we don't need auth for now, and we don't need this. And let's, so what this means, guys, is when the user go to the home page, okay, render this method, which is index. Also, I don't need to use auth here. We're going to do it in different way using the group middleware. Okay, so view, and we have view and home here. Okay, cool. And let's see if we're going to see the home page. Let's Yeah, cool. So we hit this. Okay, and let's see. Okay, cool. So this what we're going to see. So this is the index page. So let's go and open the template file and grab all the HTML from there. Okay, let's go ahead. I will go here. Okay, so I will open this file in Laravel here. So this is the HTML template. What I'm going to do is so we have in here get local. Okay, so I'm going to copy and paste all of this stuff here. Okay, in body section in here. Okay, so we have header, main, and footer. Okay, cool. And now we're going to grab all the CSS files. Okay, so I will go here and I will grab all of these kinds of things. Okay, so add a blade and I come here and I don't need to use this, and then we don't need to use this as well. So yes, so we have we have this CSS. As we can see, Laravel complained that doesn't see this file. We need to make it to talk to Laravel, so we need to use assist here and we give it this path like this. So what this mean by assist? Basically instruct Laravel to look to this public folder. Okay, so this is the root of the public, then assist CSS blah blah, and we will come to this. We will delete this, don't worry about this. Okay, so yes, we have this thing here. So let's do the same for the other now. Okay, so what we're going to do is same here. So I will finish this guys quickly and come back. Okay, okay guys, I have changed all the paths here. Okay, for the CSS. Okay, and also I have done the JavaScript as well. So if I scroll down in here, I have done as well the same for a JavaScript file. Basically this file is look for the CSS and JS files in here. Of course we have fonts and images as well. If I go to the page now and refresh, okay, we now this template is in Laravel, which means is talk to Laravel. So we don't have HTML anymore, so this PHP. Okay, but we need to do some refactoring. Okay, as well. So because the header and the footer will be static for all the pages of the site. Okay, and scroll, let's up a little bit here. Okay, so let's do here and main. Okay, so the dynamic part will be this one. Okay, so we're going to do cut this one and go back, and of course we have the header and the footer, but we don't have the content. So the content will come from, because we have many files. So if I go to the home here, okay, I see the content here. I will delete this and I will paste this here. Okay, so this is the main. Okay, and I will come back here and I make yield. Okay, and I will make content. What this mean, guys? So this is the layout. Okay, which mean that the content will be dynamic. The app doesn't know about the content will be here. Might will be contact us page, maybe check out a cart, no one know. Okay, so for the home page we have the content here. Okay, so let's go ahead and test this if we broke something. Okay, cool. So this part now is dynamic, which is cool. Okay, now guys, I'm going to push this in the get. Okay, so I'm going to here, and before I will push to the get, so let's create the tables. Okay, so because we have empty here, we don't have any table, and we need to do the login for our application. So going to do is the following: artisan migrate. Okay, so he's created all the tables for us. Okay, if I go back here, and cool, so we have password reset and user, and this what we need exactly. And okay guys, so this we successfully convert the HTML table HTML template to into Laravel. And this excellent way, guys, if you have many HTML template and you want to do a project for pharmacy, for travel, for e-commerce, grab the HTML and convert it to Laravel. In the next lesson, guys, we're going to take more step further, and we're going to create categories table and add some users and start by sign up and login procedure for our application. Until then, happy coding and see you in the next lesson.